Welcome to JB's Garage. Fix stuff. I don't know. This is my first video. Thought I'd try it out. I've seen somebody else do this. This is a 2011 Dodge Durango. This has the dual climate control. This side is not cooling off. That side is. So it's probably the blend door actuator or the gear. So what we're going to do is we're going to disassemble all this stuff in here, which is probably the glove box and stuff. I ain't got into it yet, but again, this is my first video, so we'll see how she goes. All right, let's get started. All right, now the only thing I see here to let the only thing I see here is to slide this down. Looks like you see that right there. Should slide out of there. And we'll drop her down here. Let me just try it while we're here. Look, there it is. It just falls right out of there. So that'll sit back on there, and we'll reinstall and put that cord back on there. All right, we'll get this out of the way and we'll continue. Looks like we got some clips right here and right here. So grab your panel poppers and we'll pop these out right here. Probably get it right here. All right, so we'll pop this out and then we're going to zip these out. All right, I'm back. We got her out. Looks like it just sits behind here, so we'll just pull that out of there. We're learning together here, folks. All right, there's that. Oh, we got to we'll unplug that and move this out of the way. Let's go ahead and zip these out and see what happens. Oh, there's one right here. Let's grab this one. All right, we're getting closer. We're getting closer. Let me clean this mess up and we'll be back. All right, quick show and tell here. Just grab a pick and we're gonna push in right here and then pull that out, and then we'll get this stuff out of the way. I still can't see how to get this out, so we're going to get in here. This just comes off here. We'll pull this out of the way. I should have grabbed my phone holder. We'll just pop that up right there. And this will come out here. And then also maybe this. Let me pop this out and then I'll show you what happened here. All right, so it just pops out. There's clips right there. It just pops out. It sits behind this lip here, so it makes it more fun. It makes it more fun. Let's grab our panel poppers and see if we can get this out the rest of the way right here. Yeah, I'll get this out. All right, so to get this top clip out, this part right here wouldn't let go of it. So just get you something long here and just pry back on this plastic right here, and then it'll pop out. And then this whole piece should just come out now. All right, so as I continued my investigation, it looks like this whole piece right here is just going to snap out. Let's see if I can get you back in here. Yeah, there's a clip. There's a clip back in there. Yeah, it's going to catch up here. Yeah, I'm just going to catch up there. All right, we'll do some more investigation and we'll see what's holding it up here. We'll get it figured out together. So this piece here, this just snaps out too as well. It's a snap together, remember those? So just grab your plastic panel poppers. We'll pop it out of there. There we go. Oh, look, see? And there's some more screws there. One there. Let's pop those off, and I bet this whole thing will come off. All right, we're learning together, people. We're learning together. All right, I took those 2 bolts out and about fell out. So there we go. There we go. And this cover for this came off too when I pulled this out. So now we're gonna unplug these wires here. Some more clips. Get this out of the way so we got plenty of room to work. Cause oh yeah, the other videos, they was right. It's right there. All right, so we'll take that off and we'll check out the gear, because I'm gonna assume it's just the gear. But if not, we'll replace both, or we'll replace whatever's wrong. But the blend door is not working. It's getting hot over here, not cooling. And let me get this stuff out of the way and we'll continue. As I was cleaning stuff out of the way here, I noticed this fell out. So I'm thinking it's just gonna be the gear. So there's a sign right there, 16 bucks and she'll be fixed. Plus my $500 for doing the job. I'm kidding, I don't charge that, no. So these are T20s. Get this one out, then I had to reach under here and get that one out and get it loose enough, and then you can take your end off and then get it off the rest of the way. Yeah, that was fun. Then we're gonna take this plug right here. It's not a plug, but that's where they got the wire hanging up at. That just pulls off. It just sits on there. You can see there. That just sits on there, so now we can pull her out. We can bring it all the way out. Oh, that's plugged in right there. We'll have to unplug that. And just a quick gander at it, and yeah, the gears are all gone here. No gears. So we'll just replace this piece here, and we'll put her back on. That's all for now. Alright, so I got this gear off. Let me see if I can get you to see this right here. So there's this arrow right here. It's hard to see, but on here there's a, I think you can see that. I can't see. I ain't got my glasses on, but there's a little arrow right here. I'm gonna line this arrow up with that arrow. So we'll plug it in, and I'm gonna assume we can adjust the blend door to line this arrow up with that, and then we'll push the gear back on there, and I'm gonna assume that needs to be in a certain spot too, so we'll research that. Oh yeah, wait, here we go. Yeah, so you can see, I got it. So you can see this big notch in the middle. That's obviously going to fit right in there. And that big gap right there. So if we line this actuator up correctly, we should be able to set it up in there. And it's going to have to match that empty spot right there. Sorry, that empty spot right there. All right. So let me do this, and we'll see how it goes. All right, we got it on there. So when you turn the car on, it's going to rotate. I already put this on. It's going to rotate until that arrow, the arrow matches. It's on that flat spot right there. But anyways, I got this on there. Now we're gonna set it up in there, and we should be all good to go. Because the actuator works. When I keyed it on, the thing, it's gonna keep rotating into certain spots. Just trying to find the stopping point, but it's not hooked up. So yeah, yeah.